Everyone, my name is Saksham Saxena. Today I am going to tell you about XML, which is a topic of semantic web and technologies. So let's come with me. I'll just show you the topic. XML. What is XML? XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. So XML is a markup language which is like HTML, but it's not exactly like HTML. I will show you the differences between XML and HTML further. So XML was designed to store transport data, and XML was designed to be self-descriptive. XML is a W3C recommendation. We'll see it later. XML is just information wrapped in tags. So this about XML. What is XML? Now we are just moving forward to XML's extensibles. What is this extensible? I'll just show you. It is the tags used to markup HTML documents, and the structure of HTML documents are predefined. The author of HTML documents can only use tags that are defined in the HTML standard. XML allows the author to define his own tags and own document structure. This is extensible meaning. Yeah. Now the next thing is XML is complement to HTML. It's all about the comparison between HTML and XML. I'll tell you about that. It is important to understand that XML is not a replacement for HTML. This is not the replacement of HTML, because in the future development of web, it is most likely that XML will be used to structure and describe the web data, while HTML will be used to format the display the same data. Yes. And now we can go for XML features in web development. We have been participating in XML development since its creation. It has been amazing to see how quickly the XML standard has been developed, and how quickly the XML standard is developed, and how quickly a large number of software vendors have adopted the standard. This is the most important thing about any tools or any languages, that the vendors of this the software vendors can capture it, they can use it. So XML has that advantage. We strongly believe that XML will be as important to future of the web as HTML. HTML is a old technology. I think that's my view about HTML, and that's why they make XML actually. So HTML has been to the foundation of the web. XML is the future for all data transmission and data manipulation over the web. So some keywords about that, and these are: XML can keep data spreading from your HTML. It can spread your data from your HTML files. XML can be used to store data inside HTML documents. It can store your data inside the HTML documents. Okay. Then XML can be used as a format to exchange information. It can easily exchange the information of your data. And XML can use to store the data in files and databases. Whichever your file is, it can just go and store it in the databases. This is the work of HTML. These are the features of HTML. We can also say that it's an advantage of working on XML. Sorry, it's XML. So now we are going to talk about XML. It simplifies data sharing. It simplifies data transport. It simplifies platform changes. It simplifies data availability. XML splits data from HTML. It's all that we already studied about previously. Yes, XML. One main topic is here. XML can be used to create new internet languages. This is the most important point what I just taken. XML can be used to create new internet languages, which means a lot of new internet language are created with XML. This is the biggest advantage of XML, I think. And here's some examples also I would like to share with you. So XHTML. WSDL for describing available web services, web and WML as markup languages for handled device, whichever you can go and which are just portable, we can say. So RDF is one of example, and OWL for describing resources and ontology, and that's it. RSS languages for new feeds. This is it. And many computer systems contain data in incompatible formats. Exchanging data between incompatible systems or upgraded system is a time-consuming task for web developers. That's why they use XML, and the large amounts of data must be covered, and incompatible data is often lost. It will be lost, obviously it will be lost, and XML stores data in plain text format. It's just a plain text format which you can easily read and write and just store it in the databases. And this provides a software and hardware independent way storing, transporting and sharing data. And XML also makes, this one is main. The XML also makes it easier to extend or upgrade to new operating system, new application or new browsers without losing your data, without losing your data. You can believe this. This XML can